Welcome to my honest review of Beverly Hills Hair Restoration. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process I went through using their services, from initial consultation to final results, and everything in between. When I first heard about Beverly Hills Hair Restoration, I was intrigued by their reputation in treating alopecia and other hair loss conditions. After dealing with gradual thinning and patchy spots for years, I was ready to take a serious step. Starting with the consultation, I booked an appointment through their website, which was surprisingly easy to navigate. They offer virtual consultations too, which is great for people not living in LA. During the initial meeting, I was evaluated by a specialist who took the time to ask about my medical history and goals. They recommended PRP therapy combined with FUE transplantation for my case. The clinic itself was clean, modern, and the staff were professional but not overly pushy. The actual procedure day was nerve-wracking, but the team made it as comfortable as possible. They used local anesthesia, and I was awake during the FUE session, which lasted several hours. They extracted individual hair follicles from the back of my head and implanted them into the thinning areas. Post-procedure instructions were clear, and I appreciated the follow-up calls in the weeks after. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now for the results, they weren't instant. It took about 3 months to start noticing baby hairs, and around 6 months to see a more significant difference. Full results took almost a year, and even now, I'm seeing continued improvement. The PRP sessions helped speed up recovery and boosted overall growth, but they were a bit pricey. One thing I didn't love was how long the redness and scabbing lasted, which made going out in public awkward for a while. Their pricing is definitely on the premium side, so if you're on a tight budget, this might not be the clinic for you. That said, the quality of service and results do seem to justify the cost, at least in my case. Also, the waiting times for appointments can be long, especially for follow-ups, so keep that in mind if you're considering them. But overall, my experience was positive, and I feel more confident with a fuller hairline now than I have in years. If you're struggling with alopecia or just general thinning hair, Beverly Hills Hair Restoration might be worth looking into, especially if you're after natural-looking results and long-term improvement. Just be prepared for the recovery process, the financial commitment, and the patience needed to see full results. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.